Yo, what's up guys, and welcome to today's video. In this video we will be working further on the Audi A4 and it's like a preparation for the next video where we will be giving the car a brand new look, where we'll be painting it matte black. But in this video we will be sanding rust like this down and putting some body filler on it, and also all the other spots around the car, so the paint won't get affected when we put it on. So yeah, let's not waste any more time and let's just jump right into it. Okay, so the tools that we're going to use in this video, it's very simple. This is just some regular body filler, and this is some glass fiber filler, and then we have some hardener and also some sandpaper, which we're going to use to sand down the rust, and then some simple alcohol. So yeah, let's just jump right into it.
Okay guys, so right now we are sanding down all the rust of the car as we talked about, and what we're going to do after is get the alcohol and rub it down so we don't have any grease or anything on it, and then we're going to put our standard body filler on and let it dry for 20 minutes. So yeah, let's just do it and get the alcohol on and the body filler on. Okay guys, so now we have sanded down all the rust from the car and we have put some alcohol on it, so we got all the unnecessary grease away. And what we're going to do now is to mix up our hardener with some standard body filler and go around and put the body filler on the car. Okay, so the body filler is dry now, and what we're going to do is to sand it down with some 240 sandpaper, 240 grit sandpaper, so we can get it smooth out even with the surface from the car. Okay guys, if you come with me, you can see that we have sanded down all the rust from the car and then put the body filler on it, and it's very smoothly all around. But we also noticed that we got a big dent over here, so what we have done is put the body filler on the dent. And what we're going to do now is to sand the body filler down so we can smoothly get it sanded out with the car.
Okay, so we have now sanded down as much as we can, but we found out that we might have sanded it a bit too much down where the dent is. So we're just gonna put on some more filler and then sand it down even further. So yeah, let's just go ahead and do that.
Okay guys, as you can see now, we are actually done with the whole rust removal from the car, and we are actually also done with the dent here, which is perfectly smoothly for the paint in our next video. And that will actually wrap up the video for today. So remember to hit the like button and hit the subscribe button if you found our videos interesting, and if you want us to do more of these kind of stuff with a boat and a car, another car. Yeah, and we will catch you next time.